Moneymaker Bandits Early Bird Special Monday, November 28th. College basketball, UC Davis versus Boston University. Be sure to subscribe, click the bell icon, support the channel. It's good karma for you. UC Davis versus Boston University. Moneymaker Bandits Early Bird Special. Start your day with a winner and check out Bandit's Late Night Special. Have you been losing all day? Bandit's got your back with the Late Night Special winner. UC Davis versus Boston University. Playing. UC Davis first half on the money line. UC Davis first half money line. Moneymaker Bandit King of the 1 minute videos. Making you money 100% free in 1 minute. Moneymaker out. Choo choo.